battery-powered car polisher. They have this included package. You get a little set of instructions, tough tools, half the price. And let me just show you some of the things you get. You get the polishing pad there, another pad. That looks like it's, yeah, each one of these pads, I'm going to show you what they have on the back of them. They have this Velcro on the back. So this is a peel and pull Velcro. Compounds you're going to use on each one of these. There's the pads right here. I'll go through each one of these, and this is the final polishing pad right here. You can see that. Then right here is the battery charger. So the charger just plugs in like that. It looks like they give you a series of microfiber cloths. So you also get a nice little, how many of that? 3? No, you get 2 orange microfiber cloths. This must be batteries. Yep. So this right here is the battery. You can see that 20 volt, 4 amp hour lithium ion battery. There is, oh, check that out. Oh, they're fully charged. Nice. Yeah, so you actually get 2 batteries with this thing. That one has a little bit of charge on it. Look at that. That feels very good quality. Which one had the most power in it? I think it was this one. And it slides in just like that. Whoa, look at that. So there is a forward. It looks like you get an adjustment right here. It goes from 1, 2, 3, up to 6. And this is an oscillating pad, by the way. You can see how it does this. So what's good about this type of polisher, it goes in a circle, but it also oscillates up and down, and that's what you want. You don't want something to go in a circle because it could scratch and leave marks. And this has a Allen key right here if you need to take off this and change this out. But let me show you how this works. So you basically just get a pad like that, and these pads just lock right on there. And it looks like it's any type of, whoa, that is on there really good. That's on there. That's the best Velcro I've ever seen on it. That is tough, everybody. Very impressive on the Velcro on that. This thing feels like a beast. There's a safety switch right here where you can leave it on. See that? If I just don't want to, if I'm getting hand fatigue. Let's go ahead. I've got my van over here. I've got me some polish and wax. Let's go ahead and throw a quick polish on there, and let's just see how well this thing works. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I'm over here at my van, and I'm just going to kind of show y'all what's going on here. So there's some older marks right here where this thing set out for a while. It didn't run for a while, so it just kind of like set out in the weather, and you could see all of this area right here on how there's marks on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the hard pad on here. And by the way, it's a soft, a medium, and a hard polishing pad. And this is kind of like the hardest polishing pad right here. And let me just kind of like show you how this thing, number one, when it goes on there, that thing is on there great. Look at that. I've got some turtle wax rubbing compound. So this is the clean cut rubbing compound. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of this rubbing compound. I'm just going to squirt some of it on there like that. Put that down. And then I'm just going to kind of rub some of it in. You can see all of these marks on this thing. And check this out, how well this is going to work. I'm going to turn it down. Let's go on 4. I love the fact that I don't have to use a cord with this. This is a handheld polisher. And it's pretty light. Looking at it, this thing is like easily to handle. Turn it up. I went up to 5. Now this is just the plastic bumper right here. Actually, might as well do the headlight too. Look at that. That pad stayed on there nicely. Okay, so now I did all that with the hard polish. That was with the rubbing compound. What I'm going to do is take that one off, and let's get the polishing compound and do the next one. Okay, so now I'm going to use the clean finish, the polishing compound here. I did a little bit of that. So now let's put the, I put the medium on there. We'll put some of that on there. You can see that. Already I can tell you that looks 10 times better. It's hard to see in the camera, but this looks really good just the way it already looks right now. Let me go ahead and wipe this off, and then let's get the soft polishing, and then let's do a soft polish on it. Okay, I went and got the fine pad, so I put a little turtle wax on there. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of waxing and wax it up, let it dry, and then wipe it off. There it is on one. There actually doesn't seem much difference between 1 and 4. I can tell a difference in 4 and 6. So yeah, I'm a believer in this thing. This is the VEVOR 20 volt 4 amp hour one, and this thing worked great. Very high quality. It feels extremely premium, but check out how good of a job it did on my hood there, because this hood was looking pretty rough with a lot of this like sediment that kind of out of the trees and all that. I might go over it again and do another polish here in a minute, but right now, that's all I got today, everybody, on the VEVOR 20 volt 4 amp hour 2 battery pack car polisher. See you on the next video.